Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making bold and flavorful cowboy butter. This savory, buttery sauce is perfect for dipping, drizzling, or adding a kick to your favorite dishes. Let's dive in. Ingredients: 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh chives, chopped salt and pepper to taste. Directions: in a bowl, whisk together the melted butter, garlic, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, crushed red pepper flakes, and paprika. Stir in the fresh parsley and chives. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve warm as a dipping sauce or drizzle over grilled meats, vegetables, or bread. Prep time: 5 minutes. Cook time: 5 minutes. Total time: 10 minutes. Calories: 120 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.